Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to everyone. We are given a topic that we have to discuss by each other. The question is, online learning is more effective than traditional learning. Discuss that topic with your group member. Okay, in my opinion, um, online learning is more effective than traditional learning because it gives you time freedom. One can open study videos at his own time. No need of going to an institution for attending lectures. Secondly, it gives proper education by experts in particular subject. It takes less time to learn. Um, it takes less time to learn much because the experts teach particular topics in less time. Besides, people also think about safety point of view because like road accidents are frequent in urban areas. In rural areas, online study give better option of education and the student get benefits of experts for building their careers. The most important thing is everyone can learn through e-learning platforms. Moreover, traditional learning has become expensive at present, whereas e-learning is much cheaper than former one.
Okay, for the can I interrupt your idea, your opportunity, candidate A?
Yes, you can. Yes, you
Okay,
can.
we the idea that have given candidate A, I disagree with the statement because traditional is more effective than online learning because student can be more disciplined when go to the class. It might seem in it might seem lucrative to few of the option of sitting at your home and learning as per your own speed. What you ignore is what if an alluring distraction pop up, WhatsApp notification from your crush. Another episode of Mirzapur actually might be the good enough reason to skip your class, your online class for a little more minute. Second, the traditional is more effective because a place full of like-minded people. In traditional learning, you are a part of a particular group who are also attending the same class. This gives you an opportunity to interact with them and discuss the thing taught in the classroom to strengthen your understanding of the topic. Because you are a part of the student group who has a same goal or objective, it can give you more motivation to pursue and complete the course. That's all for my opinion.
Sorry, but I don't agree with you statement. But I agree with candidate A because students learn more than they do in traditional course because online course gives students full control of their own learning. Students are able to work at their own speed. Generally, students work faster than they would do otherwise and take in more information. They are able to move faster than through area of the course they feel
Sorry to
comfortable with. Yes.
interrupt you, but in my opinion, I disagree with statement because the the- I disagree with the statement where the traditional learning are more effective than online learning. Not even though the technology become the great, but the student need to interact with teacher to understand every each of the syllabus. because interaction between teacher and student are very important for we as a student to understand each of syllabus. So for various reasons, the firstly, the lack of interpersonal skill development, such as teamwork and leadership, are the main point of I disagree with the statement. Because nowadays the type of skill like the common skill that needed from the three. Yeah, we have a crowd of assignment, but if we cannot have interact with the team like in the real life. So secondly, in addition to this, lack of memory development also the point where the traditional learning are the best. Because the memory development are the main skill development for students to store the key point in every subtopic to make them surely understand that subtopic. Without that, the student become slower to memorize even the easiest thing in the one subtopics. And the moreover, the paucity of the student motivation also affect the passion of assignment study because of distraction and attraction to like to going sleep because study also tired have a body to rest. It's more like they must finish the study to get the certification and help the family. The motivation to gain more knowledge itself are gone. Without the student motivation, student itself will have no interest to further the study. They just finish the study for get the degree, not for the knowledge itself.
Okay. Sorry for interrupt. Uh, After I heard the opinion with candidate C, I agree with the online learning is more effective. Is that all candidates agree with that statement?
Yes.
Yes, I agree.
Or
Yes,
another
agree.
candidate can want to share the opinion?
The I still yeah, I still disagree with the statement that online learning are better than more effective than traditional learning because online learning we need the data, the internet, the stable internet, the good internet use. If the internet are disconnected, we are like cannot study. We cannot chat the teacher. We cannot because we are far away from the teacher, from the lecturer itself. So we need to internet very stable, such a place like some from the town, some students are from the village itself. So there doesn't have a good the internet connection. So the internet connection are the main point when the better the traditional learning are better. Even it take a lot of cost, but it help students to understand what they are learning. Do you agree with me, candidate A?
Hmm. I'm not agree with you because uh, traditional tak, um,
Sorry for interrupt, candidate A. I can give a more opinion with the online learning. So we can know when we online learning, we study at home. So when online learning, we can save more money because we doesn't pay for the for the place that we want when we go to the college or city, and
It's not
easy to choose subject and topic what you want to study.
sorry interrupt with you. I agree with your statement because when we online learning, we have more control over our schedule because online learning is more flexible than classroom based learning. Students can work through material at their own pace. People who need more time to grab a concept and take it.
Yes, I strongly agree with point. Beside that, students who study with online learning also they can forget about attending classes for hours, sitting in uncomfortable chairs and suffering from back pain by the end of the day. We will not be bound to physical class season when uh, when we choose for online education. All lecturers also can, all lecturers and needed material are provided via online platform, so we will easily access them from the comfort comfort of your home. We will not take public transport to get to the campus. We will not have to spend money on gas for our car. We will not have to get up early to get dressed for class and others.
Okay,
Uh,
is there? Are you agree with candidate A statement? Candidate D?
Yeah,
Are you agree with
I
the
agree with this.
with candidate A statement?
Yeah, I'm agree with that statement. The
Okay.
online learning are better than traditioning because we save cost itself, and we have the place to study. We have the place to study, and the cost. I mean, it save a lot of cost. The transport, the notes doesn't need to print, just read at the ebook. Then I agree with that.
Okay. So the conclusion is the online learning is more effective than the traditional learning because nowadays the world is have a virus that called coronavirus. So when we do learning online learning, we can more safe when we stay at home and more benefit when we online learning. Okay, that's all for me.
okay, thank you.